Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol REXX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right here, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then mix mapping out where levels of support and resistance easier to see. Very, very nice day today. And actually, things started yesterday. Price woke up a little bit here and then kind of went sideways for the remainder of the day. But then this morning, things really just finally broke out and then got continuation from there. So let's talk about areas of support, then we'll talk resistance. Ideal area of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold above this pink line right there, which is the famous 200 period simple moving average, that would definitely be the best sign of strength. And like I said, so far, so good. The bulls have been doing a fantastic job of, maintaining above there. The bears have tried multiple times to push down through there, but every time the bulls have said, nah, that's not going to happen. Now, if the price does drop below that pink line, I'm not saying that everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, certainly going forward, if the price can stay above there, that's definitely going to make the chart look the strongest and healthiest. Next level of support to keep an eye on, if that level cannot hold, is down there at 31 cents. 31 cents in my mind is the must-hold level. Why do I say it's must-hold? Well, the last thing you want to see a movement do, especially if it's a truly strong move, is go back to where it all was. Hope you're saying, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course you don't want to see a price go back to where it was. And that's exactly why 31 cents is so important. Any sort of closes below that level, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, at that point, the price is right back to within this range where it already was before, the big movement. And again, you don't want to see the price going back to where it was beforehand. You want to see the price build higher bases. And I'm not saying this will happen, but let's just pretend the price were to, roll back here, bounce around, and then head back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set down here. You'd have that set. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, you have stair steps going in the upwards direction, and that's what progress is, right? And that's what truly strong moves do. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some potential battlegrounds at? For this, got to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. Always a good problem to have. Initial area of resistance. I think that's where the price flapped around a little bit today. Yeah, right up there at, we'll call it 41 cents. So 41 cents initial area was weakened up today, but could not close above it. Therefore, still got to be considered an area of resistance. Next level of resistance after that, up there at 46 cents. So no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. It'll be interesting to see if the bulls can build upon this momentum going forward. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means, click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point. And like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.